Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to delete recently visited pages on Facebook. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that your app is updated, as this is a new feature. Then open Facebook app on your device. Now tap on Menu at the bottom right of the screen. Scroll down. Tap on Settings and Privacy. When you tap on this, you will see Link History. Tap on it and here is your link history. When you tap on the link, it will open it. But if you want to delete it, tap on Clear All. It will ask for confirmation. If you want to delete it, tap on Clear. Keep in mind you cannot delete a single link. Deleting individually is not available at the moment. When you tap on Clear All links are deleted. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.